In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fake video call using OBS Studio or prank. Making a fake video call using OBS Studio in 2025 is actually pretty simple, since OBS lets you capture or simulate a webcam feed and then project anything you want as if it were your live camera. This makes it possible to prank friends by pretending you're in a video call while showing pre-recorded clips, memes, or custom overlays. First, install OBS Studio if you don't already have it. Once installed, you'll need a virtual webcam plugin. Though now, OBS comes with OBS Virtual Camera built in. Open OBS and create a new scene. Add a media source to play a pre-recorded video that you want to appear during your call. You can resize and position the video however you like. If you want to make it more realistic, add your own webcam feed as a smaller window in the corner, like a real call layout. After setting up the scene, click Start Virtual Camera in OBS. This turns your OBS output into a fake webcam feed that can be selected inside video call apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or even Discord. Just go into the call app settings and change the camera source to OBS Virtual Camera. The person on the other end will now see the video you're playing instead of your actual live camera. For extra fun, you can add effects like text, sound alerts, or green screen overlays in OBS. Some people even mix live video and fake footage to make it more believable. Just remember, if you're using this as a prank, keep it light-hearted and respectful. Don't use it to mislead people in serious situations. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.